Hey everyone, just a quick video today to show you how to play the verse riff from my new single, Prophecy, from my upcoming album, Exilium. If you haven't checked out the new music video, it's worth a look. In fact, pause this video and go check that out now. And while you're at it, pre-order my new album. It's coming up, you know, October 11th. Get yourself a little cake. I don't sell cake, but maybe you get yourself a nice cup of tea, maybe a Victoria sponge cake, perhaps. I don't know what your favourite cake is, right? That's up to you. I can't make all the decisions. Enjoy that, maybe with the music video. Yeah, and then resume watching this video, and we can learn this. You've earned that cake. Yeah, you deserve it. We're gonna do the verse riff from Prophecy. I think I already said that actually. We'll cut that. Check out this cool backdrop that I got for the music video. We made that. Some lady called Fiona painted that. It's amazing, isn't it? It's really good. It took me ages to hang that up behind me. It's held together with bulldog clips, a curtain pole, and hope. And it is a death trap. It's a f***ing death trap, that thing, I'm not gonna lie. That thing's about to come down. It's honestly, that's a health hazard, that's a risk. We better get on with the video because if that comes down. Okay, so this riff is basically your quintessential Melodeath thrashy riff with lots of gallopy chugs thrown in for good measure as well. So first I'm gonna play this riff at full speed, the normal speed I would usually play it. I don't know what BPM that is, what's BPM over there? And then I'm gonna back that off to 50% speed. Maybe, I'm not sure, it'll just be slower. I'll probably set a click up. I don't know if it'll be 50%, it'll be slower for those who want to follow along at home. Because life's all a rush, isn't it? It's a big rush. We're all rushing around, we've all got to be places, everyone's busy, aren't they? Everyone's busy. Let's stop and smell the roses. Deep dive into that riff at like 50% speed. Again, not sure if it will be 50%. That might be too slow. Do you know what I mean? We haven't got all day, but we'll do something. I might even put the tab along the bottom of the screen scrolling. I don't know if I've got the know-how to do that. I'll see if I can do that. I'll put the tab somewhere. I probably won't actually. That's probably gonna, I can't, I'm already looking at it. It's probably not gonna fit anyway. Let's get on with the riff. No, I can't do that, it's too slow. I hope you had fun with that riff. It's a super fun one to play, and I do appreciate anyone who's pre-ordered the album already. You can buy the tabs for this song, Prophecy, on my website, along with all the merch, CDs, t-shirts, vinyl, and everything goes out hand-signed by myself. So thanks for anyone who's supporting this project. It really is keeping the dream alive. I could not do it without you. It's a completely independent project. So I do appreciate your help with that, and take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.